Hello po, online world. So, ayan, na-receive na po natin ang ating package mula po sa LBC Express. Ayan po. So, dineliver po ito sa atin galing po ng Manila. Ayan. Maraming salamat po sa sponsor, Ate Jeanette Maruyama. Ayan, naging posible po yung ating pangarap na magkaroon tayo ng bagong cellphone. So, ayan po, naka-declared po siya na cellphone po siya. Ayan po. Malabo lang po siyang tingnan. Ayun. So, Cherry Mobile cellphone 2 pieces po ito. Ayan. So, with battery po siya and then nakalagay po fragile. So, ayan, let's open it na. So, dahan-dahanin natin kasi baka pati yung laman ma-damage. Pero, ayan. Ayan siya. Nasaan na ba? Matanggal ba? Ayan, sa side pa pala. Ilagay natin ng ganito para magamit natin yung ating dalawang kamay kasi it's very hard. Ayan siya. So, let's open. So, sabi, do not accept if this tape is destroyed. Ayan po, nakalagay siya. So, sa other side naman. So, pag naka-declared po yung ating package, yung laman ng package, mas mahal yung babayaran. Mas expensive. So, ayun. From Manila to Nueva Ecija ito, kaya siya, 470. Ayan. So, there you go. No, wait lang.
Wow, look
So,
at that.
ayan na po siya.
I will need to.
Meron po siya mga raffles. Anak!
It's very hard. It's so
So,
deep.
ayan po yung ating package na
I love this.
cellphone. So, safe po talaga siya kasi meron po siyang tawag nito? Bubble wrap. Ayun. So,
Bubble.
let's open the bubble wrap.
Yay, the bubble wrap. I want the bubble wrap. Can I let
No.
go?
Nanay lang. This is fragile.
I want the water. Oh, it's the bubble. Look, so big.
Yeah, you pop it.
That's popped. It's not one up. Is that popped? Oh, it's another one.
Ayan po. Nasira na po kasi yung ating cellphone. Kaya, ayun, kailangan na po natin palitan para po may magamit po tayo as small content creator. Ayun, and a YouTuber, aspiring YouTuber po. So, ito na nga po siya. Tan-tan-tan-tan. Tada! Ayan po siya. No, Gidi, no! Ayan po siya.
One. Too many.
Cherry Aqua po. So, meron po siyang 3GB RAM octa-core.
What's that?
And then, ayan po siya. Meron po siyang 32GB.
32 GB.
O, dual SIM din siya. Ayan. Kaya, pwede rin siyang lagyan ng SIM. So, let's open it na. Are you ready? Tadadadadan, tadan. Tadadadan, tadan. Tadadadan, tadan. Yay! And then, ito po yung cellphone. Wait lang.
Look at the back.
Yeah.
I see something. It's like a ball.
Oh. Ito po yung kanyang manual.
Manual. I love manual. Look at this.
Yeah. Yeah. A
Wow.
pamphlet. May kasama po siyang charger. Ayan po.
Look at that.
Ayan. At saka, ito po yung kanyang cord
Like that.
ng, yeah,
Like that. Like that.
ng charger po.
Look at all that's the avenues. And
Yeah.
this is the back.
Do you know how to read already?
Yes.
And then,
Oh, look the size.
kukunik mo lang siya.
Small. Look at that.
Ayan po. And then,
Look at
ito
also
po yung
play.
kanyang
Look at
headset po.
Look
Ayan.
at also play. Look.
Opo.
Games. It's so
Hindi ko siya
cool.
masyadong nagagamit yung headset. Kaya, keep lang natin siya dyan sa inside ng box. Ayan, na-remove yung nilalagay sa ears na rubber. And then, ito po yung kanyang SIM injector. Yung pang-open po ng SIM para po,
Look at the side.
ma-shoot. So, ito na siya, yung ating Cherry Mobile Aqua X.
Ito.
Opo. So, ang color niya ay purple.
Ito.
Ayan po. Maraming salamat po. Tadan. So, hindi ko alam kung meron siyang battery na. Kung naka-charge na to.
Look it.
Let's turn it
Another
on.
one.
Later, anak. So, ayan po siya. Powered by Android.
It's mine. It's mine. I gotta make a helmet. Polo. Hey, I like you.
Yeah. So, ayan po yung signature sound ng Cherry Mobile. So, ayan siya. Meron siyang charge. Yeah.
Saan mo natin?
So, ayan siya.
Open ka na ito sa akin.
Ayan yung kanyang mga apps.
Ay, open, ma.
Later, anak. Later. That's not a toy.
Ooh.
So, meron na siyang naka-install na Gmail, photos.
Like this.
So, kailangan natin siyang i-connect sa Wi-Fi.
What is this?
So,
Lalay?
ayan
What
siya.
is this?
a wire.
Wire.
So, ito yung Wi-Fi niya. Connect natin sa Wi-Fi natin.
The wire.
Ayan. So, ito yung Wi-Fi natin. And then, let's put a password.
What is dark blue?
So, ayan na po. Nalagay na natin yung ating password. So, let's connect na natin. So, ayan po. Obtaining IP address connected. So, there you go. Let's try it. Kung
This is one.
later, anak, kung gagana na siya. So,
Cannot wait. What inside of this
hanapin
box?
natin yung YouTube.
Maybe it's a toy.
So, ayan na yung YouTube.
It's a phone.
So, there was a problem with the server. Sabi niya. So, let's retry.
It's why?
Why? Why?
Look at it.
Baka dahil wala pang Gmail.
Gmail.
Let's check. Ayun, walang Gmail kaya ayaw niya. So, we need to add email address para gumana yung ating phone.
What the color?
So, let's add. Ayan. So, Google.
I need to open
And then,
another
checking
one.
info. Maraming salamat po sa pagtuturo ng ganito kasi natutunan ko po ito kay Ate Jem Beliena. Ayun. Doon po ako natuto. So, ang gagawin natin, dahil meron naman na tayong other Gmail, ayun. So, let's put here na lang. Ayun. Mag-a-add na lang tayo dito.
One! Look at it!
Later.
Moving!
Opo. Gidi. Gidi. Later. Later, ha? So, wait lang po. I-type natin yung ating Gmail. So, ayan. Ilagay na natin yung ating Gmail account. So, let's go. So, agree lang. And then, tadan! Andito na tayo. So, ano lang natin siya. Save. And then, skip. Skip lang natin. And then, ganyan lang. Accept. Accept lang natin siya para gumana yung ating new phone. So, meron na tayong Gmail. So, punta na tayo ngayon sa YouTube app. Let's check kung gagana na siya. Ayan. So, nasa na si YouTube. Retry.
Mama.
Wait lang, anak. Kasi may ginagawa si nanay, ha? So, retry. Ayaw niyang gumana. Update Google daw, sabi.
Update Google out.
Updates to Google Play Terms and Service. So, got it. Okay, take me to Gmail.
Can also play.
Next.
Look at it.
Okay.
Can also play this,
Okay,
this,
okay.
And there's
And then,
so amazing, so good. There's someone inside.
maybe, pag habang ginagawa natin to, matututunan din natin siyang gamitin. Pero pag-aaralan ko po muna siya. Ayun. Maraming salamat po sa new phone, Ate Janet. Maruyama, highly appreciated po. So, hindi lang isa, kundi dalawa.
And look
Ayun.
at it.
Dalawa po
Other
sila.
ones.
Ayan po. Dalawa pong cellphone.
Hello.
Maraming salamat po, ate. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Tingnan ko lang yung game.